What does it mean for a vaccine to be FDA approved? Our sources are Dr. Matthew Lawrence, a vaccines expert from the University of Maryland School of Medicine, and the FDA. Currently, the FDA has granted 3 COVID-19 vaccines emergency use authorizations. To get that EUA, the company submitted thousands of pages of data from clinical trials. This covered the vaccine's safety, side effects, and the manufacturing processes.
The safety standards were completely met, and they were reviewed rigorously, not only by the FDA, but also by independent panels who advise the FDA on emergency use.
To get full approval, the companies must submit a biologic license application. To qualify for this application, our experts say it's basically the same safety and effectiveness standards as the EUA.
Would simply mean that there is more safety data and there is more manufacturing data that we have available that supports the use of this product.
One of the key differences is FDA approval looks at the product for a longer period of time. Instead of 2 months of follow-up data from trials, FDA approval looks at a minimum of 6 months of data. However, it doesn't mean these safety or effectiveness standards have changed.
So, do we have a sense of how many people might get the booster shot once it becomes available, or might go ahead and get all their shots?
Yeah, once it becomes FDA approved, I think one of the studies I looked at was a poll from the Kaiser Family Foundation that looked at the number of unvaccinated people who said they would then get the vaccine if it had full FDA approval, and it looked at like that was around 30% of the people they polled said they were unvaccinated, they would get the shot once it becomes FDA approved. So that's, not a small margin. That's 30% of the people, and obviously you extrapolate that across the country. That could be a large number of people who would then now get the shot.
Yeah, all right. We'll see. Hopefully that's what will happen, or more even. All right, thank you, Matt.